Hi guys, it's Otto here, and I'm going to show you how you can erase all the transmitters or all the remote controls that are linked to your Axroll unit. I'm currently in C1, and when I want to remove all the transmitters, I have to go to menu P9, which you can do by pressing on the arrows either up or down until you've reached P9. When you've reached that point, just release and you'll see that flashing the double zeros. What I need to do now is press the plus button for 3 seconds and I see 2 minus signs, which will tell me that all the remotes have been removed from memory. That's it. So it's pretty straightforward. Just need to know which menu to use. Once this is done, you can go back to this C1 menu or to any other menu for adding new remotes. And you can do that just by pressing the up or down button. I'm going to go back to C1. And if you want to know how to pair a remote, you can see one of the other videos and I'll show you just how to do that.